So in the xy plane, the point 1, 2 is on line J, and the point 2, 1 is on line K. Each of the lines has a positive slope. Okay, so quantity A is the slope of line J, quantity B the slope of line K. Now what will make this particular question complicated is that we only know one point, and the information from what I'm seeing is not sufficient to establish a relationship between the two slopes. That's number one. Number two, since the point 1, 2 is on line J and point 2, 1 is on line K, there are two things that may happen. Both lines could actually be parallel to each other, and both lines could also be perpendicular to each other. So if each line has a positive slope, then it implies that they are likely to be parallel to each other and they can be perpendicular. How do I mean? If they are parallel to each other, we could have the line to be like this, the first line and the second line. So these two lines are said to be parallel to each other, and they are likely to have a positive slope. I mean, they will still have positive slope, and the slope will be the same. However, we could still have a line with a positive slope that are not parallel. One could be like this, and another one could be like this. Both of these lines are also lines with positive slope. So from what we have here, especially for the fact that we only have one point represented, and this point could actually pass through the origin, it could pass through any other point, it is not sufficient to establish a relationship between the slope of these two lines. So by this observation, the relationship cannot be determined right from the information given. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.